Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by enabling Wi-Fi and Wi-Fi Direct on both ends. This is the action that creates the peer link. On the TV Open Network or Connection settings, then select Wi-Fi Direct. On your phone Open settings, choose Wi-Fi, then Wi-Fi Direct. Once done, you will see device names populate. Make sure you pick the TV's exact model. If a PIN or confirm prompt appears, note it now, because you'll need to enter or accept it on the other device. Now pair the devices. On your phone, tap the TV name. On some TVs, you must select the device instead. When a PIN shows, type it exactly on the requesting device or accept the matching code on both screens. This secures the direct link. Make sure to allow permissions for screencast, media, and file transfer so streaming works. If your device asks for a default action, choose screen mirroring for video or file transfer for media files. Once paired, the devices will create a temporary, direct wireless channel. To finish, open your streaming app or use Screencast. Select the TV as the Wi-Fi Direct target and begin playback. If you see lag, lower resolution settings or move devices closer. Wi-Fi Direct is peer-to-peer, so interference hurts throughput. If the link fails, restart both devices, forget the pairing, then reinitiate Wi-Fi Direct. Also check for TV firmware or phone updates because outdated drivers often break compatibility. One key tip: disable nearby hotspots and Bluetooth.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.